Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to locate your Microsoft Word product key in under 5 minutes. While this might seem like a complicated task, it is actually quite simple if you know exactly where to look. Let's begin with the first step, which involves accessing the Windows Start menu. Click on the Start icon, typically found in the bottom left corner of your screen. It is easily identifiable by the Windows logo, so you cannot miss it. Once the menu is open, use the search field at the bottom and type Word. It is best to keep the search general rather than looking for a specific version. As you type, various suggestions will appear above the search bar. Select Microsoft Word from the top of the results to launch the application. This action opens the software where we will find the necessary details. After the program opens, ensure you are on the main home screen. If you are not automatically taken there, look for the File or Home tabs in the upper part of the window to navigate back. This home screen is your gateway to deeper settings, including your account information. From here, click on the Account option, which is usually located on the left-hand sidebar or within the top menus, depending on your version of Word. This section provides a full summary of your subscription and product details. Inside the account area, you can view your product key and subscription status. This key is vital because it serves as your proof of purchase and is required if you ever need to reinstall the software or verify your license. Treat this information like a digital passport. It is essential for accessing Microsoft Word and should be stored securely. Even if you do not need it immediately, knowing its location is excellent practice for future troubleshooting or reinstallation needs. Keep in mind that how the key appears can change based on how you acquired the software. If Word came pre-installed or was part of an Office 365 subscription, a traditional key might not be visible because the license is linked directly to your Microsoft account. Regardless, make sure to save this information in a safe place, such as a password manager or a secure digital note, so it remains private but accessible to you whenever necessary. That is how you find your Microsoft Word product key directly within the application. This method is much faster than searching through old emails, confirmation messages, or physical packaging. Everything you need is right there within the program, making the process quick and painless. I hope this guide has made the process clear for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.